In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make quality on Capcut better. If you're diving into video editing on Capcut and want to ensure your final product looks as sharp and professional as possible, stick around. Let's get started by opening up the Capcut app. I assume you've already completed your edits and are satisfied with how the project looks. Now, our next move is to prepare it for export in the best quality possible. To begin, find the export option. You should see a drop down menu right beside it. Tap that drop down. It's crucial here because it opens up several settings that can significantly impact your video's quality. Once that's open, you'll have access to adjust the resolution settings. Here you'll want to set the resolution to the highest option available. Typically this is either 1080p or 4K depending on your device and the original video quality. This step is essential because a higher resolution will give your video a crisp and clear look, making it much more engaging to viewers. Moving on to the frame rate, which is another vital aspect of video quality. If your source material supports it, bump your frame rate up to 60 frames per second. High frame rates help in producing smoother motion in your video, reducing any potential jerkiness or visual fatigue, especially helpful for fast moving subjects or actions. Next, let's talk about bitrate. You'll want to choose the highest bitrate option available. Bitrate can be thought of as the amount of data processed per second in your video. A higher bitrate means more data, which translates to richer detail and better overall visual fidelity. Keep in mind that higher bitrates also mean larger file sizes, so make sure you have adequate storage on your device before proceeding. Do note that Capcut advises turning off any smart HDR or compression settings. While these features might sound beneficial, they can sometimes alter the final quality negatively by adjusting colors and contrast in unexpected ways, or by overly compressing your video. By turning these off, you ensure that what you see during editing is what you get in the final export. Once all these settings are adjusted to your liking, highest resolution, frame rate and bitrate, and with HDR and extra compression settings off, it's time to finalize the process. Go ahead and export your video. You can save it directly to your device, ensuring that all those settings we meticulously picked are reflected in your final product. And there you have it. Your video should now be exported in the highest possible quality, ready to impress and engage your audience. Enjoy your high quality video and thanks for watching.